Hello! Welcome back. Well, if you saw the first episode. But yeah. Today I'm playing Risk of Rain again. Who would have thought? Anyways. Hopefully it's time I fix the audio, because yesterday I was talking a little too quiet. Oh, it's been too long. That's been way too long, bro. It's over. I keep forgetting that all of his... There we go. Alright, well, we'll figure it out either way. Anyways. Man, I wish I had something interesting to talk about. It's not just me talking about the game, you know? Ooh, raw steak. Just like the series name, get it? Cause like raw, risk of raw. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see here. I wonder what we get first item. Yeah, yesterday was pretty, hello? Oh no! Oh! I'm so bad. Well. Now, I could really go for a hard space thruster, you know? Wow. Just kinda do this okay. Yeah. Again, wish I had something interesting to talk about. It was just me talking, useless drivel pouring out of my face. Man. Whatever. Okay. I see the build. Oh boy, Mocha is giving me PTSD already, man. Come on. Whoa, hey now, you should be dead. Walk in. Too long. I'm gonna go with this because my damage pretty early on it's okay, but like again I'm a melee, so like it's oh, and I forgot it's not instant. Okay. Alright, we'll get used to this eventually. Ooh, green. Ooh, okay. Wow. Beautiful. I haven't seen ukulele in a while. What's stealing bleed? Oh, noxious stone. Got noxious stone to do that. Makes it where you don't walk around with no debuffs. But wait, unless I'm curious. That'd be something I have to research. Or should not research. You know what I mean. This is actually pretty good. Pretty good for the dude. Yeah. My go. Oh, just try to attack me when you're dead. Oh. Man, I'm so bad. It's insane. You'll probably get me low, won't you? Fine. Should be dead. Here we go. Oh, I'm so bad. Oh well. There's only one way to get better. That's keep playing, you know? Keep on tugging through, you know what I'm saying? No. What am I doing? It's kind of early for this. Whatever. feel like he did not hit me, actually. Okay, you suck. Oh! What is going on? Okay, well. It's been a while since I played Monkasteri, but... Ah, will you die? Oh, my God! Oh! I'm so glad Rising Thunder's on like a 2-second cooldown. It's gonna be interesting. Here we go. We'll try doing it with I'm pretty sure I pretty much lose to Halcyon. Oh god. No! No man, you shouldn't be allowed to fly. Golly. Bad enough that you like can one tap. I don't know if they can do that anymore actually. Oh boy. Ow! Goddamn. Like. Oh, I can't escape. No! I'm not ending it this way. I will get a good round of wrist to rain in today. I'm not ending it. Oh! I'm ending it here! Okay, okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on. You can move while doing it too now? Man, you weird. Oh, I'm very scared. Oh my god, you bastard. No! No! You fool! Oh my god, please, Lord. Oh god, oh god, oh god, we live. We live for... Okay. Oh, understood. Understood. My god. Man, that was an interesting interaction. Let's do this again. Alright. Bruh, this sucks. I can't kill you. Oh, okay. I mean, it's a red item. I don't think I'm using that. I'm not using that. Lantern. No. Oh, hey there. There was not a lot in this map. Yesterday we played way more. Oh wait, but I wasn't playing on the map. I don't want to do green path. It's so boring. First character I ever got my master skin with. Man, I remember the day I did it too. I didn't have any any artifacts on. Insane. Yeah, then I figured out a way to cheese, and I did that a bunch. I got 3 more characters to do it with now. Keep forgetting to do it. Oh crap! Look at this. Cause oh boy, we're almost 10 minutes in on the first stage. I should have been out of here by 5. Weirdo. I don't know if today's video is gonna be long because I'm bad. Owie, you suck. Which one is? Well, that works really well for bosses. Okay, understood. Jeez. Oh, wow. Yay. I will definitely be using yellow printers for fun. Oh, I'm so... No, you bastard. No, you fool! Let me go. Alright, again. See, I love Dragon Ball, but like, man, I'm really far behind. Like, I just started in, like, Perfect Cell just came out, man. He's like standing there. Krillin tried punching him like 5 times and like got flicked away or whatever. And almost died. Oh, yes. Either way. Abandoned Aqueduct. Oh. Nukahana won't shut the hell up. This map's annoying. I mean, yeah. Yeah, it's Nukahana. Yeah. Hello. Why are the cups so big? Why are the cups? Yeah, my sense of pride won't let me not do it. Whatever. Oh my god. Owie. Okay. You did properly, I think. Whoops. God, I can't go through them. What? This makes it impossible to do what I need to do. Oh! Okay, I'm really glad I have golly, that would if I have. Oh God, I can't speak. Anyways, if I didn't have ukulele, I probably wouldn't be able to do this. Crap. I gotta stop fighting and do something else. Golly. Hello? No! 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 Oh, wait, you shoot it? Oh my god. Yeah. The level difference is already, show me how weak I am. This character's so much, like, more goated, or if he had some, Nope, never mind. He's just fine. I lied. I'm gonna try and make some lame excuse. It doesn't matter. Well, I mean, I really hope the music isn't too loud this time, because last video, oh my god, it was way too loud, man. Come here. See, I'm not finding a lot. This map's kind of big. See, the thing about Huntress, she's got so much mobility. That's why I like to play Huntress. I hate NG because he's so good. Gosh darn slow. What printer's that? Plate? Yeah. Oh, hey there. Wow, you move quick. Okay. I like Opal. Opal's good. Oh, I'm gonna take this. Ooh, yes, red whip. Nice. Okay, we get some good movement up in here. Paul's goat hoof doing his thing. Alright, let's see if we can't get eviscerated immediately. Oh crap, I got the oh. All my real homies know how this guy works. I can't remember his name personally. Here you go. Oh, okay, well. I can't move! Oh! What's going on? Oops, that was bad. What if Rage makes it where I don't take as much damage? I don't know what Rage does, to be honest. But I mean, it makes me attack fast, and that's all that really matters. Ukulele is proccing with that so beautifully. Oh wow, it's good, yellow. Nice. So now I just have to recycle. I mean, that's pretty much that's a very good distraction for Mythics while I spam R. See, I'm thinking about Mythics fighting. I'm not even on the 3rd stage. What a weirdo. Through. Wow, okay. This makes me want to restart already. I'm tired of getting this man. Already at 37 somehow? Hey there. Hey there! I do like, I will take that mocha. Oh, gosh, dude. This is giving me PTSD. This is the map, and those this is the map, and the blind pests of the enemies that I had to. I didn't have to do it, but I just wanted the arm, and this is the map I got put on, and the blind pests for the enemies. The second map was I can't remember the map. Because it wasn't important, because it was just imps. Oh, it was probably Rally Point Delta. Either way. Oh, wow. Why am I attacking so fast? Am I enraged? No. Oh, wait. No, seriously, why am I attacking? It was cool, I guess, but, like, why? Huh. Interesting. You're not getting me, bucko. Ooh, and free gold. Okay, let's, oh, it's you. Okay, I'm just gonna try and do stuff. I'm already on insane difficulty. Sucks. Green printer, don't know what it is. I'll have to check it out, man. I'm gonna go for this. I'm getting some pretty quick kills here. This will just make it better. I don't know what. I don't have knockback, Finn. That's fine, so I. Hey. Ow. Hey, come back. God, I hate these things. Flying past my vein. Man, I could really go for a hard space after ship burner. Yep. I can't remember where I don't know what the other's called. Ooh. Let's see if we find a yellow printer, shall we? Void trail. Put those void trails in the Howie. Why do they have opal? Opal coming in clutch, you know? Good item, good item, good item. Good item! This is another buff, so this will make me better. I think. Is it for every 3 buffs or what? I can't remember. Uh-oh. Mouse might be dying. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yeah, my mouse is definitely dying here. It's spooky. Yeah, I'm actually going for crit lens. It's pretty cool. Don't have to worry about crit lenses. Ooh, a focus crystal. Very nice. Sure. Them good items. Let's see, let's see. Do I have any mochas? I do. Alright, this is looking pretty good for this map. I'm gonna check the underground real quick. And then I'm gonna head over here, or over there, and check the back. Oh, that's what it is. I'm gonna go back there. Howie. Yeah, wow, really? Already? Dang. Oh, portal is back. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, I love the music. See, I knew. Well, I take these. And I messed up my timing, golly. Oh, I'm not trying to get sucked. Oh! They're both doing it. Okay. They're not gonna, well, actually, yeah, no, they're gonna get life pretty quick. What am I talking about? That's really cool, actually. Cool. They just went back up to half health. What? I can't get up there. Ah! Oh my god, it's over, bro. Man, that sucks. We can run and we can run and we can run and we can say these guys are going. Please die. Is there another? No. Howie. Okay, you should. Oh, okay. I didn't know they could move. Wait, I'm kind of. You can do it again. Whoa, why do I hear... Oh, it's chronic. Okay, I mean, shuriken, that's pretty good. I can now hit these communists in the air. Goodbye. Alright, yeah, we're looking good, we're on the 4th map. Wow, okay, same exact maps as yesterday, it's insane, except this one's got a void field right where I want to be. I think it might be worth it to spawn Aloy and then have him fight off the void enemies. Let's test it out. Let's test this theory. Excuse me? Man. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, hi there. Let's see, alright, so we got one here. Oh, there's a Magworm. Okay, hi. Hello, hi. Goodbye. I'm busy. Go fight the void field dudes. Oh god, please don't turn into a void enemy too, Mr. Magma. We'll be chill about this. There we go, we hear distant whirring. Alright. And he did it! Alright, this run is over. This run is over. Yes, sir. O-V-E-R, over. Alright, let's see. Is it up here? Where is it? Oh my, hello. Oh wow, he applied corruption grenade. Cool. Yes, sir. Wait, but if he fights, oh my god, he's dying so fast. Text one. What's he fighting that makes him lose so much health though? That's what I'm interested about. Is it really the worm? Like, is he dealing that much? Oh my god, that worm is going to be the bane of my existence. He's space. Yeah, okay. Yeah, wow. This is cool. Kinda. Not at all. Well, since they're fighting, I'm just getting gold. Hopefully, he can take care of that worm. Okay. Oh no, he's dead. Okay. Pretty red item. You watch this game. Oh, there's a Void Reaver too? Oh boy, Chaos. Wow, I'm killing myself. Oh, and I broke. Alright, where's the teleporter? Is it inside the thing? Is it? No? Okay, good. I'm out. Oh, it's down here, my bad. Going to be interesting. I don't. Oh my god. Did he just spawn? Oh, okay. I thought that was a freaking Magworm and I got scared. Oh, yeah, Magworm. Yippee, yippee. I really want to fight Magworm. Magworm might be my favorite boss. Either way, we low-key are gonna lose this. Oh my god, I can. Wait. This is a pretty short cooldown. I wonder if I could try and Scage Stip. Stip? I mean, that's definitely possible, but. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try it. Oh, hi there! Hello! Yeah, okay, that's gonna hurt. Thank you. Alright, let's just avoid hits, I guess. Bruh! Nah! Nah, bro, what? We lost. I can't, yeah, I can't do that. Wow. 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 Yes, sir.